Hello and welcome. As we all know, the registration for the most awaited Delhi University admissions have already begun. Collegedekho.com brings to you a quick and easy guide to fill the online application form of Delhi University. Here's a checklist of important documents that you must keep handy before starting the online application for DU admissions. For registration and form filling, first visit the official website of Delhi University. As a first-time user, click on New Registration to create your account, which will lead you to the registration form. Before filling the form, read all the instructions carefully. Also, all fields are mandatory and indicated by a red asterisk adjacent to the name of the field. In the registration form, enter your name as mentioned in Class 12 board roll number. If you do not have a middle name, leave the text box blank. Now, fill in your email ID and confirm it by entering it again, which will be your henceforth login ID. Choose the security question from the drop-down menu and write an appropriate answer in the security answer box. Please make a note of both the security question and the answer, as it would be required in case you forget the password. Now create a password and enter the same password in Confirm Password text box. Also enter your valid mobile number on which you want to receive further communication. After entering all the details, enter the CAPTCHA in the text box, which is case sensitive. Before submitting the details, confirm that the details entered are correct by clicking the checkbox. Finally, click the register button, after which a confirmation will be sent on your email ID and your mobile number after creation of the registration account. Now, a screen will appear with your registration account details. Save these details by clicking on the link. Click here to save this information for future reference. To proceed further, click on Continue to Home page, which is on the left side of the screen. This will take you to the home page. Once registered, in the Registered Candidate Sign-in, on the right side, enter registered email ID as the username and the password as entered during the sign-up. Enter the characters in the CAPTCHA image text box and proceed to log in. After logging in, you can start the online registration process by clicking Apply Now. The entire registration form is divided into 9 tabs and you need to enter the details in each of the sections. In the first section, fill in all your personal details as in your certificates like gender, date of birth, category, address and details of the family. Click the Submit button. If you wish to edit your information, then click on the Edit tab or click on the Next tab. If you wish to complete the remaining sections at the later time, click on Save and Continue button appearing on the top right of the page in the preview mode. Click on the second tab to enter the academic details. On clicking the Submit button, a preview will be generated. Now, move on to the next section by clicking on the Next button. In the third section, select the courses you want to apply for. The eligibility of the courses can be checked by clicking on the Information button. There are no extra registration fee charges for applying to multiple courses. Click on the Submit button to see the preview screen and move to next section by clicking Next. In the fourth section, select Yes for consideration of admission through Sports Quota. Choose the sport and select the colleges of one's choice. Provide the details of the highest level of certificate in the relevant sport. It is mandatory to upload the certificates as per the guidelines mentioned on the screen. The uploaded file must satisfy the size limit. After clicking the Submit button, you can either apply for another sport by clicking on Add another sport or else proceed to the next section by clicking Next. There is an additional fee of ₹100 to apply under Sports Quota. In the fifth section, you can select Yes for consideration of admission through ECA quota. You can select the appropriate category or subcategory and upload only the highest level of certificate. After clicking the Submit button, you can either apply for another ECA category by clicking on Add another activity or else proceed to the next section by clicking Next. Also, there is an additional fee of ₹100 to apply under ECA quota. In the sixth section, furnish your bank details for the refund of fee in case of cancellation of admission. In the 7th section, upload the required documents and click on Next. In the 8th section, you can preview the complete application. In the 9th section, you can proceed to the online registration payment. Your online registration process shall be completed only after payment and realization of the online registration fee. After the payment of the online registration fee, you can update the information except name, email ID, gender, sports and ECA choices already submitted till the last date of registration. Best of wishes from Collegedekho.com for your future.